All right, welcome. I took my midterm. I think I failed. Sorry. I let everyone down. I definitely failed it. Fortunately, I just suck at studying, so it is what it is. Whatever. But at least I don't have much to work on today. So day 59, we're almost day 60 now. I'd like to first preface, thank you for 300 subscribers. We are going up like crazy. I'm curious, would you guys be interested in like a live stream? Maybe some days instead of me just pre-recording and posting it. Maybe I can do a single day recording. Just live stream. And then that's my, I think you should auto post to YouTube and you guys can rewatch if you guys missed the stream. And then, yeah, because I would love to talk to some of you guys. Just chat it up. So, if you guys are interested in that, leave a comment. Let me know. So, definitely interested because you guys seen there's a lot of people that do what I'm doing as well. For example, Aiden Lee, he's been grinding as well. He's a bit ahead of me. But there's no race or comparison here. So I think he does like live streams. So I kind of was interested in that. Lovely transposition, cool guy. He actually inspired this whole entire series. So if you're watching this, man, appreciate you, broski. But anyways, today, see if I can hop back into that note down project I was working on. Oh my god, no way this was still running the entire time. Bro, no way. Okay, I'm gonna do some refactoring, a lot of refactoring. Because I need to I definitely need to. What the hell is it? Why is the white? Okay. First things first, let's get rid of this. I'm gonna separate everything out. I'm gonna his back end, right? And then okay, I might need to should be different. This might mess up everything. Well, it's okay. We'll fix it as we go. So move this here. Go. I'm gonna delete these first, and then just let's see here. See. Go mod init github.com and go mod tidy. Okay, so that means I can go run main.go. Should be good to go, right? No. That makes sense. The handling is wrong. I think that should be good. There you go. That's what I like to see. So, CD client and backend. Well, I should just be out. Let's just be here because I need to start doing like database stuff and like I don't know what to use for the database. Like I should definitely let's clear this up. So we have fractional ability, delete operation, kind of, not really, not yet. So we have a lot. Oops, we have a lot more to implement. Database, database operations, like CRUD, CRUD. And I really want to refactor my client. It's such a headache dealing with the default to restart Harpoon. It's like such a pain in the butt cheeks to do all of this weird stuff because it's just annoying because I want to refactor it, and I've been using too much AI, so from here on no more AI. I know some of you guys are saying stop using it, so you're right, I need to stop using it, so I'll stop using it. But the thing is, I need to figure out. Let's go back to the drawing board, right? So this is our stupid little thing here, right? Right, we have this. It's not operations I'm missing, it's a single operation I'm sending, right? And then it'll ping me back document state always. And then I have to update the state. So I really want to be done with this, but unfortunately this is just the fact of the matter. Because like I should not be, this is such a bad way to do it. So maybe I can, this might be hard, but custom cursor JavaScript. Custom cursor. Because here's the thing too, right? If I make this custom as well, I can also implement this feature like in Google Docs-ish, right? This is not really a Google Docs code. I just named it whatever, right? I can do like where each position, I can share the positions a lot easier, right? So let's see how this works. Custom mouse, no. Oh yeah. What is this? No. That. A text cursor? Custom text cursor JavaScript. I guess custom input cursor. Input cursor position on JavaScript input. Get cursor with a text field. I guess custom in text input field. Custom text input field. CSS. I guess it might be a CSS / JavaScript thing, you know. Well, I'm not trying to make a. I don't want this. Okay, custom text cursor JavaScript. Well, if there's nothing online, then I might have to think about it myself. Using JavaScript and system. This is the thing. The thing is this thing here. I don't want that. Here's a selection. Simple examples, same. Replace text by position. So we have worked with, okay. Maybe I should read these APIs here. JavaScript DOM API, or what is this really? Cursor API. Cursor. Text selection. Text selection API. Let's see. Anchor direction, a string describing the direction of the current selection. Returns the node in which the selection ends. Can return null if the selection never existed in the document. Returns a number representing the offset of the selection's focus within the focus node. If the focus node is a text node, then this number of the, if then the focus node is an element, this is the number of child nodes of the number of, okay. How to work with selection. Maybe it's how to control join the project, discuss it. There's a definition from a user's point of view. From the developer's perspective, we have two important objects that have to be mentioned: selection and range of text selected by the user or the current position of the document is associated with a unique selection object which can be retrieved by document.getSelection. .get. User may make a selection from left to right or right to left. The anchor is where the user began the selection, and the focus is where the user ends the selection. Okay. Make a selection with a desktop mouse. The anchor is placed where you press the mouse, and the focus is placed where you press the mouse. Instance can be placed before the focus or vice versa, direction you make. Oh, okay. So this is anchor, this is focus, or this is anchor and this is focus. The H would be the focus. Okay, the selection object represents the text range selected by the user or the current position of the CARET. It represents a selection of the text on the page which may span multiple elements. Easily generated by the user dragging the mouse over the text. Okay, range represents the document's fragments containing nodes and partial text nodes. The selection object contained through the range and object is the focus of our operation of the. Because I've often work with range, which gets to get the range, we just need to simply call window.getSelection, selection.getRange. We needed the get range at with the number because in some browsers in Firefox users can select multiple texts. The selection and range, we have two main objects which will work with the normal input and text area and editable div. We have two main objects which will work with our normal input, text area, and editable element. In the next part, I will make some examples with them. It's called, okay. The first example is this one. Let's select the text. To select the text, there are positions and start positions, end of, and you may want to select any value of this based on an index of the character, put character. Here's an example of code for it with the ID of text box. Okay, so the focus and selection, right? So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3. I guess this is non-inclusive. First two cursors are selected. If you want to select all the text, you can call the method select. If you want to select all of the text, you can call the method select. Like, in case you want to put the cursor in a position, let's call selection range, which with position and position end is a position you want to put the. Here's my result. Get position start and position end. There are some ways to modify a selection of input. If you want to get the current position, start and end of a selection in some input, you can try with property selection start as selection A. It will help you get that values. It will help you get that values. Modify the text which is selected. We'll move to an important method to replace the text of the selected range. To do that, you can use the method set range text. If you want to replace the selected text with another text, you just need to call the method with only one parameter, the words you want to replace. If you want to replace text by position and start and end, you just need to fill two more parameters, position and start and end. Okay, what? You can use the method set range text. You want to replace the selected text with another text. You need to call the method with only one parameter, the words you want to replace. If you want to replace text by position, start, and the method with only one parameter. If you want to replace text by start and end, you need to fill those two parameters, start and end. Here are two examples of replacing selected text, replacing text by position. I don't get how. Okay, so this is the whatever the selected thing. There are basic examples to play with selection for HTML input element. Here's my full code for it being for being a bit modified. Here is my full code for it after being modified. There are some simple examples I want to share with you about how to work with selection on. But here, yeah, this is what I'm gonna be dealing with. I think we need to know about the content editable element. Did you use an editor before? Many editors build with a content editable element. To make a content editable element, you just need to create an HTML element and enable attributes content editable to the element or the CSS attribute. Yeah. It looks like a normal input. If it looks like with normal, if it looks like with a normal input, why do we? So simple. With content editable divs or elements, we can make more advanced things from bold, italic, and underlines to variables, to variables, links, and tables, many things. In the above, I mentioned get, selection, and range, but we have to work with a method from HTML input because it's a good way to work with HTML input elements. We will use them for content editable elements. So we will start by working with a selected arrow because the selection of a content arrow is much more complicated than the form. We need to more than one step to select an area. With normal input, we need to position the start and position the end of the selection. Okay, so start. But with content editable element, we need two steps to make a range and apply it to range set start, set end, selection, remove all ranges, selection.add range. Because an element can have many nodes inside, that's why we need two steps to set start and position with the start and end nodes. Before starting with an element that has multiple child nodes, I think we should make a simple example with an element have one child node. Wrote this. I don't know if I'm reading this wrong. I think we should make a simple example with an element that has have one child. Okay, whatever. We just use the div tag we have created here. Here's the JavaScript code to select an area with start and end positions. Selected by position. Position start, position end. get the editor, get the selection, get selection, get the range dot set start, the editor dot first child, position start, range dot set end. This is what are these? Okay, that's the first child of the editor tree. That's where you start, and then position start with position end. Let's try to use this function to select a content index. I use first child for set start and set because our element only has one child node. Now we will move to an element that has many child nodes. I think we need to update a bit our editor like this. I think understanding about DOM structure of this element is a good step to start. Firstly, we use property child nodes to get child nodes of this element. Hello, my name is Tassie, and you. Three child nodes. Text E. Yep. Select the text containing my name is Tassie. We have three child nodes in this element: text bold, text my name is. Based on the previous example, we can see that our range can start in the first node with position 6 and in the second node position 3. Here's the code to do that. First child, second child. Because we don't have a child at offset 4. Content inside some element, we should work with children of this element. I'll draw a symbol tree. Okay. Left, right. Following the structure, identify your way to select an area you want. Removing and replace the text which is selected. This is the last part of the article. I replace my name with I am with the source code above. Let's see a result. The range of text selected by the user or the current position of the character. Each document is associated with a unique selection object which can be retrieved by document. Select left to right or right to left. The selection API has common behavior that governs how focus behavior changes from editing hosts after certain methods are called. The behavior is as follows. An editing host gains focus if the previous selection was out of it. This is modified using the following methods. The anchor of selection, beginning of beginning point. Here's where document editable div or an editable element. Focus of a selection. The focus of a selection is the endpoint of the selection. When making a selection with the mouse, the focus is where the document mouse is. Making a selection with the mouse, the focus is the document. When the change. A range can be retrieved from a selection as a range object. I don't know. None of this is really that helpful, to be honest. In custom cursors. No. Custom input or text cursor. Oh, custom CARET. Getting custom cursors CARET. Making a spanful like an. Don't like this front end shit, dude. This is. Okay, what am I doing right now? Okay. Right. We have a few things here, right? We have the get selection. Doesn't really return anything. Get range at 0. Clone range, select node content editor, set end. Get cursor position. Let's see, get caret position in content editable div. The caret position within a key on key up. So when the user is typing can at any point put the caret position within the content. There is always a single text within the editable. Yeah, no other notes. The editable div does not have CSS like white space set to free. If you need a more general person to work with content, that's different than. Bro, do we really need to do some freaking BFS, DFS on this just to get the damn caret position? What the com length? Come on, gangsta. Great variable name. Ah, crap. I feel like there's like literally no other way. Like I have the selection, modify, whatever, yada yada yada. Should I use a framework because this is too much work? Or should I try to learn this? I don't know. Super annoying. CARET.js. Get the caret position over. Oh no. Super annoying. Is this really this complicated? Holy hell. I'm not trying to do all this. I'm not trying to copy this down, bro. It's too much. Too much type. It says the caret position to save position. This works with nested elements. I don't really care. For me, I'm just gonna have raw text because I'm gonna redo the UI, but it's gonna have the editor here, and then the render markdown here. And the render markdown, that's pretty easy. It's another div that will take this text, which I can pull from our document state, and just pass it through a markdown reader, and just it should be able to do it. So take the selection, Get the CARET position to the relative editable div, or relative to the content editable. Okay, let me see what my issue is right now. Oh wait. 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 Ah, crap. I feel like this is not working anymore. Duplicate. Oh, crap, hold on. What's happening now? Why did it break? Oh. Why are they disconnected? I really want to like reset this. This logic is so ridiculous. Oh, I need this. This is what I want to. Oops. Oops. Where is my? Like what I really. Oh wait. Oh my god. Hold on. I need to dot git ignore node modules. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Hold on. When arrange window.getSelection at 0, selected object, range count, child nodes, anchor.parent.child node. Jeez. How is this 5? Oh my god. If I enter, this is gonna mess up. Now, I might be cooked. Why is it 0 now? Cause bro, no, I feel like I have to do this from scratch. This stupid API is not gonna help me. Okay, is there like a fucking library I could use? Maybe like a WebSocket editor client library JS. Let's see, what do we got here? Yeah. Wait, I'm doing this already. WebSocket text editor client library JS. Because if that's the case, I'm really cooked. Because, like, there's shit, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, because that's kind of my logic is. God damn, what is this? Yeah, this whole thing has to be a refactor. I have to refactor this. All of this is bad because if I did my implementation perfectly, right, this will start being zeros, and that is not good. Because this has to be different from here. That's my assumption. Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find position 0, closest thing there, right? My logic was what? I had to find the operation, which is to get the state, right? Well, actually, my operation, okay, never mind. I guess my operation is to find the differing. My operation is to set it, like, to loop through and kind of diff. I'm so cooked. Okay, I feel like I have to restructure this 100%. Might have to. Because this is like, it's such a freaking infuriating thing to worry about. Because here's my idea on it, right? I can have basically a fake text field, right? All I record is keyboard inputs. Yeah, and then I have a fake like CARET that is implemented like that. Like I have a fake thing, you know? You know what? I'm curious. Because I have an input thing. And then here's the thing, right? I can detect it and it won't mess up. Like, it's not gonna apply the changes as soon as he hears that damn input, right? Right. And then what is this? Fractional. This is good. This is okay logic. That's okay. And then sending it off. Yeah, I don't really need to do that. Okay, so editor dot not. I don't want to listen it for. How to listen for? Can I do document dot add event listener? Let's do key down or key up, right? The event. Let me look at the key up JavaScript. Right, this will fire a event. Yeah, let's have an event. The event. All right, so we have a key up, right? Right. Because I have the backend essentially kind of set up. Right, okay, let's just try it. I feel like this might help us in the long run. I know I keep refactoring, but I can't move forward. The bug exists because of my way I've structured this, right? And I feel like it's just better to, like, I don't really have a timeline to finish it, so I just want to see if I could get it in a place where I can really understand everything, right? So I have e.code, right? Yeah, see, look, it's like I will be able to detect. Look at that. I can detect any, like, what about enter? Look at that, enter. I don't know. Look, I can detect anything, which will, this will be very helpful. Wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, I have a key up, and for now, I'm just gonna console.log, the event, or let's say key code, right? For now. So let's do that. Right. Let's just rerun it. Have it here. Add event listen. Why? Can you not add just to the whole document? Okay, you can only add event listeners to an input. on key up. Event happy. Key code. Hello. Okay, this is really good. Hold on. Why do I have key code? How do I get like the e.code? How do they have this? Doesn't matter. I just care about specific values, right? So now, right? So I'm gonna be listening for, wait, so I'm gonna, yeah, since I'm gonna do the WebSocket pattern, let's just do it like every function, I'm gonna have it like this. Okay, so on key up, we have an event, which is the key code. Hold on, can I console.log? Event. Wait, so value. Wait, let me see. One more time. I want to see this. Hello. Okay. Value. So what do we have? The div is okay. The target is the div. Dot key will give me the value. This is exactly what I need. It's like all wrapped for me, right? So like dot key, key code, character code, any other event.code key h. So I could use that instead. Right. Okay, wait, hold on. What's the difference between like Shift H? Do I care? I don't really care, right? I think it's fine. I don't really care about if it's capital or not. What about Oh, I don't want everything. I don't want it to record the shift, right? There's a shift. There's this. Will that pick up? No, it won't pick up. Okay. Well, there's things I need to consider. What about tab? Tab is ignored, I guess. Why is it not a tab? Interesting. Okay, I see. Well, okay, if I can just, okay, I'm gonna, I think most cases is fine. The one thing is the tab, which kind of sucks. We'll figure that out. Like, why can't I tab? Okay, detect tab on key up. Attaching tab press with key, yeah. Why? Key tab. If you have text control, use the key down of it. Should I do key up, key down? Let's see what's better. Let's read. Oh god. Oh my god. Binary search is running in the background. H. Wait, what? Oh. I didn't do anything, that's why. Console.log. Key down. Wait, what about tab? Hey, it listens for it. Nice. Okay, it listens for it, but it's being weird with my Firefox. Okay, there's a lot of cases I need to consider, right? On key down, do I send information? I think so, because that's what my thing is. And then on key down, I don't read input. I don't read input. I don't do anything here. That's handled by on message, right? So I could just do that instead, right? So event. Let's start with the basic case, like if event dot. Let's just do code. Let me see the codes. Alt-right pipeline. I can't say that, sorry. That's so funny. Backspace. Do I make it chat? It's listening for everything, which is not bad. And it's targeting the editor. Okay. Here's the thing though. Let's say I wanted to, like, let's say I type, right? I put it here, right? Oops. I know this is tweaking now. This is never gonna find it. I put my cursor here. How would I know? Well, that's a key down, right? Or mouse down? Okay. How would I know to put that cursor there. That's a lot to implement. But again, it gives me control. It's just what I freaking need, man. Like, I'm trying to basically re-implement the bull crap thing here. I don't know. How should I do this, guys? Right, I have. I guess let's do backwards, right? Back. Codes. Yeah, we have mouse down events, which I can kind of. Like, what information do I get from click? Button was pressed. Maybe I'll be able to get it, I guess. Bro, this cursor thing is super hard. Oh my god. I can't move on from this because I don't even know if my the back end works if this front end doesn't work. Code event. Code event. Key down. Is composing, what is that? On key down. Send it to the server. Well, find the operation by I get it, cursor position. Dude, this is so hard. I don't know. I'm lost. Double click. Click. Why is it so bad? Bro, there might be, maybe I should do some library in the front, because this is such a pain to freaking make. But I mean, it might be worth it. I don't know what to do anymore. Doing this from scratch, I guess. We'll see if this is a better implementation. So right now we can get if so we get backspace, right? I think it was, yeah, backspace, right? Not code, like, let's say what was it called? Key down. Yeah, I guess it is code. Yeah. Yeah, backspace, whatever. So we have this, right? Then find operation, delete, right? Do all that junky. You know what I realized? When do I delete it in Namar? Oh, yeah, I'll return back. Yeah. Right? Then we'll send it over, right? Again, I need to hide this for now, right? Then, yeah, fake cursor implementation. Fake CARET. Yeah, draw a fake CARET, yeah. Linking. Linking cursor. Transparent. I don't know. This is a little bit going over time, so unfortunately I cannot figure out a good way. Maybe over the weekend I'll try to figure it out, but getting pretty tired. So anyways, thanks for watching as always. See you for tomorrow's video. But yeah, let me know at the beginning. I said if you guys want to see me stream, probably do it on YouTube. So let me know. I'll see you guys tomorrow.